This is the Joy to the World ornament that can be used 3 ways. We'll show you at the end. This is a jig I made for it, and the file will be available on my Facebook group for free. You put the back piece in the least depth side, and then flip it over, and then you put your middle piece, which is 1/16 inch wood with 3M on each side. Remove the backing and attach it to the back using the middle jig to make sure you get it the correct place. Then you flip it over and to the more deep side, and then remove the backing and insert it into the jig. It's easier to remove the backing before you insert it into the jig, but if you forget, you can remove it when you insert it, after you insert it. So once you are finished, you insert it into the deeper side of the jig, and then attach the top. I just needed to press it down a little bit more. So you attach the top, and then once you have gotten it even and attached the top, then you just pop it out of the jig, and then you have the base of your ornament. And then you can leave it like that, just scored, but I like to add all the pieces on top in different colors, and I use 3M on the backs of all the top pieces. So you just remove the 3M and apply. And I sped up the video a little bit, because this is just me removing the back and of each of the pieces and applying them. So once you have everything applied, then I'm going to show you how you can use it. So that center circle, you can make it interchangeable like this, or you can add a back, which I'll show you examples of here in a sec. The inserts are 2.25 inches. You also can add a back and make it a photo ornament, should you choose. And then you also have the option of adding a different backing that's got some stars. So there's 3 options in this file.